In today's video, I'll show you how to add images and photos in Gamma AI presentations. First, go to the Gamma AI page and select the template you want. Once you're on the editing page, click Images on the right side. Then choose how you want to add images, for example, by image upload or by URL. Click your preferred option. If you choose URL, paste the image URL and click Go. If you choose Upload, click the Upload button. Select the image from your files and click Open. The image will then appear on your page. If you want to change the image, click the image and then click the Edit Image icon. Next, click Edit Image and choose how you want to add the new image, either by upload or by URL again. Then click the Upload button, select the image from your files and click Open. And that's it! That's how you add images and photos in Gamma AI presentations.